Alright guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. There is something I always say to you guys. Truth is bitter, alright? Shebi this na me when it day dark some weeks ago. See me? You see? That this is me. I was darker. I will put a picture of me of some weeks ago, right? I was darker, and the picture of me when I haven't been using lotion. Truth is bitter. Can anybody come out and show itself or herself, him or herself, like, oh, look at me, tada? Be proud of your lotion. So let's go to the secret, how I promise the lotion. You understand? The lotion I'm using, how I promise it. And that is what we call Fuchsia White Lotion. Fuchsia White Lotion. Or you can call it Fuchsia White Smooth. It's not, there's one, if you look at me properly, like, I'm not like, you can't see, I don't know how to put it. There's this kind of tone that you're saying. Guys, the truth is, you know me, like darker. Are you getting it? And there's nothing like red color separation and all that. No, look at my hands. You see? So let me show you how to make that kind of lotion in your closet, in your home. You don't need to go anywhere. You have those things. Maybe you don't buy them. You don't buy them. You've got to them from somewhere, but they don't show you. Those that thought like you thought they would train you, they're not training you. Let me show you. It's a blend. It's a blend. It's a smart, you know. It's a blend. All right, a quick one. I told you this one about this nationwide lotion, which we all know. We all agree that yes, this nationwide lotion, if you use it and you use it right, you will get the right tone. Look at it. Nothing more. Are you getting it? I will teach you how to make it, and I will do small so that you see it. All right. So, and we all agree that this nationwide is luxurious body lotion, white, slim, you know, and what are the ingredients and all that. We all know. You see, like I always tell everybody about this lotion. Some people use it, doesn't work for them. Honestly, they use it, it doesn't work for them. Guys, look at my body. I know they lie to you. I mean, believe me. Are you getting it? I know they say I shine light. No. They're just the reflection of the house. Look at me. Come. Maybe not the camera, they make me dark outside. So we are using this one, and we are using this lotion is a face and body lotion, and we are using this one. Are you getting this Yuri? We're using this one, and where is that? Small lotion we are using. Let me have please give me that egg yolk. Yes. These are the 3 lotion I use to formulate what I'm using. Fuchsia White Lotion. We are going to the fuchsia. There. We are going to the fuchsia. We bring the fuchsia here right now with just few additives. Look at it. Are you getting it? So look at me. Not go say drop recipe. These are recipe, not right recipe. I will make it practical, but take this first. Okay? Then we'll be using our glutathione, the one with vitamin A and C. All right? And also we'll be using fair white. We'll be using this one, and we'll be using this Koji Clear. These are the 3 tubes we are using. Look at them. Take this. All right. In a quick one, I will just add them in a quick one, and we'll begin. All right. These are what we're using. Then also we'll be using these 2. Where's the other one? We'll be using this because it's a face and body lotion. We'll be using this. Give me that bleaching, yes. No, the bleaching. We'll be using these two face cream. Yeah, we're using them. Are you getting it? We're using these two face cream, La La La, and this bleaching whitening face cream. Alright? Then we'll be using this vitamin C. You all know what vitamin C is. We'll be using this. Alright? Good one. Then we'll be using this. We'll be using this. We'll be using our lemon clear, and we'll be using our glycetine for face. So that is what we are using. So for the Fuchsia White Lotion, let's dive into it. Lest I forget, it almost escaped me. We are adding about 2 oils, which is the Malawi oil and the concentrate. This is the concentrate. Are you getting it? And also we are using the shakara oil. Get me that one? No, the other one. Yes, bring it. We are using this shakara oil. Okay, so let's begin the practical. Just small. Let me show you small. Right? All right, guys. Like as we said, this is what I've already mixed all of my additives and the lotions and the base also. So now I love to use my colored whitening base. So I'll be using my colored whitening base. My colored whitening base. This is it. You know, a whitening base is a base cream is a base cream. All right. It's just that my own I added color to it. So this is my base cream. We just want to practicalize the lotion which I've taught you about. All right. This is the base cream. It's 1 spoon. Now then again, we have all the lotions. The 3 lotions are mixed together, and that gave me this color. All right. Those 3 lotions. So we are using 1 spoon. All right. Yes. We're using 1 spoon. Then all the tubes, I've already put all the tube in a cup, so that I just want a fast one. The 3 tube I said, you know, I just want. So the tube actually gave me a very smart color also. So these are my tubes, you know. So let's mix together. So these are all the tubes. So then again, the shakara oil and Malawi oil and the base, we are using 1 spoon. The shakara oil and the Malawi oil we're using, and which is including the concentrate. You can see the concentrate, okay, underneath. So we're using just 1 spoon because we're just only making small. Okay. So then again, let's add our, you know, glycetine. Let's add our glycetine. Okay. We'll also add 1 spoon. So guys, in a quick one, if you have any other additives you want to add, you can add. Buff. If you want to put any whitening powder, blah blah blah, fine. Are you getting it? But this is just a body and face cream, which I know is very smart, guys. It's very smart. Aside all the tubes, the 3 tubes and all that, you know, as a matter of fact, it's a bomb. So let's add our vitamin C. The oil. We just add. Oh, the aroma is very sweet. Okay, you can see now. You cannot add your preservative. This one, like I said, I'll be adding it to a very large quantity now because we want to make a production, and so you cannot add your preservative, or you can add your fragrance. You know, whatever fragrance you choose to add, you can put your fragrance. So let's put our fragrance. Okay. Now, like as I said, let's put our preservative also. You see? So we cannot blend, guys, cannot blend properly. Be careful. I don't just want to mess this place up. You know? Basically, 3 lotions. They are simple lotions that one can really rely on. Alright? Okay. So that is it. Very easy lotion, guys. Very easy lotion. If you know you can do all this, if you know you can do it, you can rely on us. Are you getting it? You can just DM me direct, you know, we can produce this for you, or we ship everywhere worldwide. We ship everywhere, trust me. US, Canada, UK, Europe, you know, Asia country, Africa countries around us, we ship everywhere. So just name it. And don't forget also, we deliver within the country everywhere also, within all the states. Are you getting it? And again, we have recipes for you. If you want us to train you, we can train you. And then again, if you want to buy organic ingredients, or you want to buy a cosmetic as a whole, bull hairs for all Africa entire wears, you know, we sell all that too. So trust me, just do this, you'll get the right answer. So bye bye.